Hello, happy Vlogmas number, I don't know, 14, 15, 13? I have no idea. I just came on here because, oh my goodness, had a lovely weekend, but I had a complete disaster with my knitting. Had such a sad sounding story. So I was working on my maxine, which I've been working on for, quite some time. It was all going so well, and I was racing towards the finish line when I have actually got to the point where I might be knitting the cuff on this sleeve. So then I was like, oh, I'll just put these stitches on the sleeve and see like where we're at. And I started like looking at my knitting, and I must have looked a bit too close. I don't know. I was like, what is that weird stitch down there? So I went round to the stitch and laddered down. I was like, oh, that's weird. It's a really awkward like looking stitch. And then when I started looking, I seen another one and another one. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to take a section out, ladder down all of the stitches, fix all these little problems, and then I'll ladder back up again. So I did that. And then I realised, after ripping them all out, that they were the double stitches from the German short rows. What have I done? The most complicated thing to fix by laddering down. So I did kind of fix it, although it looks really wonky if I'm being honest, and there's holes everywhere. So there's a big hole here. Focus. Which isn't the worst, but I'm still in the process of fixing this. So I was doing this last night when I was tired. And I was like, oh, I did have this stitch knitted back up. But I was like, today I was like, I want to have another go at fixing this to see if I can make it look neater, because I just feel that I could do a better job. And I thought I would have time today to look at it, but I didn't. I had orders that I needed to pack and vlogs I needed to edit. So I couldn't believe that I made such a rookie error, and because it's in the sleeve, it's not as if, and I've already knitted the body in the other sleeve, it's not as if I can just go back and redo the German short rows. I would have to rip back the whole sleeve, the whole body, and then do the German short rows, which I'm not super like in the mood for doing, because I really, really wanted this finished for Christmas. And this was going to be my Christmas outfit, my jumper. Because like a couple of nights would have finished the sleeve, and then in a couple more nights would have finished the hems and cuffs. So my options are basically, I'm watching a tutorial at the minute that's maybe going to help me fix this mistake, I don't know. It seemed to be that I could fix them on one side, bar this little hole, but not the other side. They look really wonky. I don't know why. So here's my idea for what I could do if I can't fix it. Basically, I thought I could put the needle in to the body and the sleeve, cut below where the needle is, put it on a, a waste yarn, take out the short rows, re-knit the short rows, and then graft it back on again. Like, how much work is this going to be? Just because I made it, just because I took these out. Now, a very advanced knitter probably could go back and ladder down and fix short rows, even maybe just an advanced intermediate. Like, I've kind of done a half job on it. But the annoying thing is, like, the yarn is starting to, like, look very uneven, because I've been, obviously you're supposed to knit this in the round, and I've been like knitting it here and there and everywhere. I've been knitting it on the purl side, the wrong side. Like, I've no idea what row is supposed to be what. Like, it looks absolutely shocking. Do you see that? So, what should I do? What do you think I should do? I mean, the rest of it's turned out so perfect. Like, I really don't want to rip it back. I mean, I could, but there's like about 2 weeks worth of knitting here, so I don't really want to just rip it out. If I grafted the 2 bits back together, would it look right? Like, would it work? Because I would need to figure out as well, because I did some funky increases here. Maybe this is a story for another time, but basically I ended up with the wrong amount of stitches, but the yoke fit it really well. So I did a little hack in below the sleeve where I did, like, I don't know if you can see, I did, like, I guess it could be called like a center double decrease or a central double decrease under both arms very quickly, so that I had the right amount of stitches and it fit it. What should I do? I might have another go at fixing this tonight, but this is not TV knitting. This is have the tutorial, copy the tutorial, and try and figure out how to fix your mistake knitting. So yeah, that was kind of a disaster. Have you ever done this? If so, what did you do? Were you good enough to fix it? Or like, what did you do? I'm kind of interested to know. So that's a little bit sad, because it's kind of looking like if I do any of the other options, obviously ripping it out, maybe grafting it, I'm not going to have it finished. Yeah, which is sad. And I was vaguely tempted to pick up this one. I just started knitting it. But I didn't do that. I do have my daughter's sweater I could pass on, but I feel like I want to resolve this before I start something new. So I'm definitely not going to have it done for Christmas, but I might be able to knit it over the Christmas holidays. And what else? Oh yeah, I need to still dye the yarn for my hat. I haven't done that yet. I was looking through the colours I have on the website to see what Heart DK colour I would put with like a bright pink or a lilac. And I'm not entirely sure yet which way I'm going to go. I think lilac maybe would be kind of cool, like a muted kind of lilac. I have printed both the patterns for my daughter's sweater and for my hat. So that's progress, and I have wound the yarn for the sweater. So I've made some progress, but also this week I'd really, really like to get her room together. I don't know if you've seen the bits and pieces of videos here and there that I've been painting it. So the next thing is I need to decorate it and put up her new bed and do all of that stuff. So I've got quite a lot to do for that as well. But yeah, tell me what I'm going to do with my knitting. Help! Anyway, apart from that, tonight, I have no idea what's for dinner. But that's fine. I hope there's going to be a few Vlogmases I can watch. I'm going to try and just relax a little bit and have a nice cozy night. Later on this week, I'm going to be doing a lot of baking. I have a lot of cakes to bake, birthday cakes. And I want to bake some, I think they're called peanut butter kisses, that my friend, I asked her for the recipe. She's from Wisconsin. She makes them every year pretty much, and she usually gives me a box. And they're just totally scoffed within like 2 hours. So I just asked her for the recipe this year. So I can't wait to try and make those. Then I need to make some bread, because there's no bread in the house. Then I really want to make mince pies and sourdough cinnamon rolls. So I might do like a bake with me extravaganza. and that could be like an hour-long episode, maybe longer, I don't know. But we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I just packed up my last orders of the year, which is so exciting. And I won't be posting any more orders until January now because the post is so hectic and so crazy. So hopefully you'll get your parcels okay. And yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. I've been talking for 10 minutes.
Good King Wenceslas died on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a poor man came inside, gathering winter fuel. Hither, page, and stand by me, if thou know'st it telling, yonder peasant who is he, where and what his dwelling? Sire, he lives a good league hence, underneath the mountain, right against the forest fence, by St. Agnes fountain.
What are you watching?
Bournemouth, West Ham.
Bournemouth, West Ham.
That's like double.
Sounds like a really low game.
Yeah, it's not great. It's pretty low.
Who's winning?
0-0.
Oh dear. Bad times, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if anyone would be expected to win that game.
I'd say Bournemouth might win it. Well,
Bournemouth.
West Ham have got theoretically a better squad.
Okay.
So.
Exciting.
Yep.
Tell me, what do you think of my knitting disaster?
Well, I think that the snitch would have worked really well, but
The what?
the snitch.
What's that?
It's when you snip and stitch. Snitch.
You mean when I cut it and graft it back
Yeah.
together?
And then if you do it really well, it's called the golden snitch.
Right. Wow. Timmy's coming out with all the big jokes tonight. So
That's what people are paying the big money for.
so do you seriously think I should do that?
The golden snitch.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh.
No, but you're ready. I thought you'd already fixed it.
Well, I did fix it, but it didn't look very good in the daylight, so I'm going to have another go.
Well, then do the golden
And maybe if that doesn't work, then I'll snip.
snitch and snip, then snitch, snitch.